Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Casio metal watch band. So as you can see, a lot of Casio watches are going to have this mesh bracelet system, and in order to adjust this system, you are going to need a tool in order to insert it right here where we have this arrow. It can be a flat screwdriver. You can also use some tools from the basic watchmaker toolkit. Here we have the pin removal tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and you can insert the tool right here in order to lift it up. I'm going to show you with the screwdriver, since I believe most of you are going to have a flat screwdriver. You are going to lift this flap up, and then we are going to pull it all the way, and now I can simply move, so slide the clasp up and down. Once I am done, I'm going to push it back in, just like that. You are going to sometimes hear a snap, and in case you can't push it all the way, you can use the tool in the opposite direction. So I can use the flat screwdriver in order to push the flap down all the way. And voila, you have adjusted your Casio mesh bracelet. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.